Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's take a look at one of the easiest jobs for the DIY, for that first-time person that wants to install some drainage to solve some yard drain problems. If you've never installed any drainage in your yard, I would suggest that you use PVC for your first job. While PVC is more expensive than corrugated and takes a little bit more work to install, for that first-time DIY, this is the pipe to use. So here we're installing a simple yard drain, and we're going to be putting in two catch basins. One is picking up the water as it comes across the drive, and two is as that water comes across the sidewalk by the front entrance. We're going to discharge this to daylight, and you'll see that here at the end. Start by laying out your pipe just like it will look as it is underground. This gives you a great view of how your system is going to work. Now take your shovel and cut the sod on both sides of the pipe the entire length of the trench. Move your pipe out of the way, lay out some tarp on one side of the trench, and cut your sod in about a 1-foot section, flipping it over and laying it directly beside the trench. Now it's time to dig the trench. Basically work backwards, pull out a shovel at a time, set the dirt on your tarp as you work. Next, lay your pipe down through the trench. Connect each section of pipe using the bell that's on the end of the pipe. Don't forget to glue each fitting as you go. Attach your catch basin, connect your T, and you're almost done. Adjust and align all the fittings. Check to make sure you have proper fall. You can use a level for that if you need it. And now you're ready to backfill. You'll probably need to remove some soil because the 4-inch pipe displaced some of that soil. So you need to remove some of that, and then you can put your sod back, and it's really just that simple. You've just installed a great yard drain using PVC. As you do more yard drainage projects around your house, you'll probably switch over to corrugated, or you may use a combination of both. Both pipes work extremely well. Just remember to keep your smile and keep working. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Don't forget about live help, video consultation via Zoom. I can answer any question, help with project planning, tell you if your idea will work or not. Get the help you need. Sign up online.